So good afternoon. We're here at Old Swamp Apiary today, and we have a hive that we're inspecting for queen cells, and we suspect that we're going to find some, and we're going to pull these out. What we're looking for is a peanut-sized cell that's kind of hanging off the frame. So as I go through, I'm lifting the frames out and looking for those cells. Now they're very obvious, so it doesn't take me long to inspect the frame and put the bees right back in. So I gently bring them out, and here we have on this frame a nice defined queen cell. It's capped, so we're only days away from this queen potentially emerging, and once she emerges, she will fly out and mate and come back, and then she will be the new queen for this colony. And that is what a queen cell looks like. Now I've got some other frames here. I'm going to pull a few more out because generally speaking, there will be more than one queen cell in a hive once they decide to requeen themselves. And here we have two more queen cells on this one. So it looks like we've got good odds that we're going to get a really nice colony out of this. And they're super easy to see once they're developed. And so when you're going into your hives and inspecting, especially in the springtime during the swarm season, this is one of the key things that you want to inspect for and decide what you're going to do. Now, I think this hive, because we've got multiple frames with cells, we may go ahead and split this hive in half and allow multiple queens to develop in two different colonies.